So hello friends, in today's video I'll share a script with you. So basically we will activate the windows through the PowerShell with these scripts. So let's get started. So first of all we have to create a variable for the product key. So we have to provide our product key to the PowerShell. So we have to just enter your product key. So I'm right now I'm not going to enter the key, but you have to enter your product key. Like if you have the product key like this, just put your product key, your Windows product key like this. Then we have to first use write host to display the message, like I'm using installing product key. Whatever you want to like, you can just use. And if you want to use, you can use the foreground color as well, like I'm using yellow here. And then I'm using slmgr.vbs, then ipk, and then the product key. So this will install the product key. Then we have to use the write host again, and while it's activating the windows, so we can display the message again here, like activating windows message. You can type your custom message. I'm just writing type my message. So like foreground color is, yeah, like I'm using green for now. And then we have to use slmgr dot vbs and ato. Then we'll display the message again once the checking the activation status. Again, you can type your custom message. Then I'm using the foreground color again, and you can use any of the color, like I'm using cyan, and then slmgr dot vbs and dli. So this is the command. This will just install the product key. You don't need to go to the my computer and put the key manually. Just enter your product key, and you can just run this command, and it will activate your windows with the provided key. You can use this script uh, as remote computer also. So I have shared many script. How can we execute the any script into the remote computer, like through the invoke command. So you can in the local network, you can execute this command in the remote computer as well.